In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check PayPal account number. First, let's start on the official PayPal website. Open your browser and go to paypal.com or directly to your account summary page if you have it bookmarked. Make sure you see the secure padlock in the address bar and that the URL is correct. If you're prompted to sign in, do so as you normally would. The look of the page can vary slightly depending on your country or whether you're using a personal or business account, but the process we're using works the same. Next, we'll use PayPal's built-in Help Center search to get the most accurate answer. On the site, find the Help or Contact link. This is usually at the top right as a question mark icon or at the bottom of the page in the footer. Click into the Help Center and type this phrase into the search bar. What is my PayPal account number? Then hit enter. This takes you to PayPal's official guidance, so you're not relying on third-party explanations or guesswork. Now, open the article titled, "What is my PayPal account number?" and read through it. Here's the key takeaway PayPal explains. There isn't a traditional account number for PayPal the way you'd have one for a bank. Your PayPal account is identified by the email address or sometimes the mobile number you registered with. That's what people use to send you money through PayPal. If someone asks for your PayPal account number, the correct information to provide is your PayPal email address. You can also share your paypal.me link if you've set one up, which is another safe and convenient way to receive payments. If you're linking a bank or transferring funds to your bank, the account and routing numbers involved are issued by your bank, not by PayPal. Those numbers live in your bank details and should be shared only when appropriate and secure. Never share your PayPal password, one-time codes, or full card numbers with anyone. Always double-check that you're on the official PayPal site before entering any sensitive information. If you prefer using the mobile app, you can follow the same approach there. Open the app, go to Help, search for "What is my PayPal account number?" and review the same official explanation. The content is consistent across platforms. To recap, go to PayPal, search in the Help Center for "What is my PayPal account number?" and rely on the official article that clarifies your email or mobile number is your account identifier. Bookmark that page for future reference and you'll always have the correct answer ready.